Do a side draw, close twice, the butterfly. Rumba. Then I had a request for fiddle steps polka. Okay, here we go. Close position, face the wall. Side draw, close twice, the butterfly, basic. Fence line, crab walks the line. Spot turn, crab walks to reverse. Spot turn, time step the butterfly, Alamana. Chase. Half basic, whipper cross, fence line, through to your serpiente. Fence line, Alamana to the man's right side, for lariat. New Yorker, whipper across, fence line, through to your serpiente. Fence line, half basic, New Yorker, modified chase with an underarm turn. Cucaracha twice, to butterfly, side walks to reverse. Half basic, New Yorker, modified chase with an underarm turn. Cucarachas, to butterfly, side walks down line. Basic, fence line, crab walks. Spot turn, crab walks to reverse. Spot turn, time step the butterfly, Alamana. Chase. Half basic, whipper cross, fence line, through to your serpiente. Fence line, Alamana, to the man's right side, for lariat. New Yorker, whipper across, fence line, through to your serpiente. Fence line to close, side draw, close twice, dip back, leg crawl and hold. Ooh, good job with the leg crawls. All right. All right, fiddle steps polka at a request.
She doesn't call